Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week and ready for a cracking weekend. Today this is the freebie. It's a lovely background which has been designed from my August VIP lounge membership. Is a subscription that I offer on my channel. When you join, you get 3 digital paper packs on your email address every month. You get a discount code across everything on my website. You get a letter. At this moment we're doing an alphabet gift letter gift boxes on the shape of a letter, and you get a little gift from me every month. It can be like a discount code, it can be a free digital, etc, etc. So this Friday, this is the freebie, which is taken from one of the digital papers. I will show you now. Okay guys, welcome to my VIP lounge papers for the month of August. 3 digital papers. The first one is called Love Letters. Each is a 4-page kit. So you have 1 page, you've got 4 backgrounds. So you've got 1 page with this handsome man. And the inspiration about this kit was I watched a documentary the other day about Queen Victoria and the letters that she was writing. And I thought, oh, I need to do a kit where we talk about love letters. So you've got Prince Charming here, this handsome man. Then we've got another page with a Victorian lady. This is kind of like piles and piles and piles of letters. You've got another page with another handsome, and as you can see the color palette is all the same, so it's kind of like black, white, and this lovely gold beige colors. And then last is page number 4 with a lovely Victorian lady with an umbrella and the lace and everything, and a love letter with the ribbon. So in my head I already have loads of tutorial I want to do with project. I want to do this using the wax seals and create like some envelopes, but we will do that another day. The kit number 2 is called Tea Time. So to stay in the English in the English theme, I have designed another kit, 4 pages. So you've got 1 page with this lovely background with tea and a teapot full of florals and a vintage bow on a bluish, pinkish, purplish background. You get an envelope, a scallop envelope, and 2 normal size envelopes. I love these. So it's a page with 2 kind of pages. This is perfect if you want to use this as a journal page or as a cards background, because you can simply cut that and use as a grid card. And then, oh, look at that. I love it. It's my favorite page of the entire month. So it's a page full of 7 tags. So you've got 5 tags on the same size, full of vintage tea mugs and 2 large ones on the bottom there. Okay, so that's that. Then we got another kit. It's called Love Spell. This is very Italian / Spanish inspired. So you got 1 page with 4 different backgrounds, and I have used the same floral for the letter D, which I'll come in a minute. So you got the lady, writing desk, the elephant, a plain background that you guys can do absolutely anything that you want with it. You have a page full of ephemera. Okay, so you can simply fussy cut them and use them as an embellishment. And then another page with the gentleman holding roses for me and some more, you know, embellishment. We got a chair, a writing set, and the umbrella. What I was trying to think, wanted to give you guys some flexibility. So those 2 kits, so the love letters and the love spell can be used together. This is why they got similar names as well. So love letters and love spell, because the color palettes are the same, as you can see. So they work because it's a lot of black and red in both kits. Okay. And then last but not least, we have a letterbox. So we started a while ago. So we started with letter A. Now the original letter gift box is on a white background. I have used a pink cardstock to print on it, but the original one is not as pink. It's got white and then these really nice roses. Letter B, which had a cat with the leopard print background. Letter C, last month, very tropical inspired. This month is the letter D, which is this one here. So this was a request from one of my VIP members, which is Debbie. She's asked for her initial of her name to do something pink and floral, but I will probably won't do any more florals because we already got 2 florals, one on pink and one on white. So let me show you what the kit will look like, because it's very easy to pull together. So you get one page, and of course this is printed on, you know, copy paper, but you can print this on a thick cardstock to make the box up. So you got one with all the, this is the instruction how you pull it together, so it tells you section by section or how to pull it together. I also filmed a private video on how to put this together, so how to construct the letter D, which will goes out to the guys. Okay, so when I email the papers, the guys get the video as well. Okay, so they get a video tutorial on how to put this letter D together. So I'll show you, you know, section by section how to put it together. So this is the VIP lounge papers for the month of August. Let me know which is your favorite. This is mine. Okay guys, so if you want to check it out, I'll leave the details down below, but this is the freebie. How do you get this? As you're familiar with my channel, 2 ways. One, through joining my free newsletter. Is an email that I send every Friday, sometime on a Wednesday as well. I will put it on here on the screen so you guys can see what it looks like. Just a lovely email with the recap of the videos of the week, the papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code just to tempt you to get some you know, papers and bargains. And yeah, there is always a freebie attached, so in PDF. So you just simply open your email and download it on your computer or iPad, etc. Also, because the newsletter email gets sent out at 9 p.m, by the time you watch this video, the email will already be gone. But if you join my Facebook group, again, completely free, you get to download over 300 freebies I have shared in the last 2 or 3 years. I will show you in just a second where. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group, Antonio Makes. This is the banner of the group, so you make sure it's me. So on my Facebook group, you see the freebie I shared, and also all other talented crafters that showcase their work using my papers, but not necessarily. They use their own papers as well. Lovely messages, project shares, my videos, etc, etc. So as you can see, it's a very interactive platform. You can either click on recent media and then you will see everything that is being shared. To find my freebie, if you click on files, you see here, this is the recent one, which is the 5th of July, but you will see everything I have shared on here. Okay, so this is all the freebies, literally going back to the Christmas ones, etc, etc, etc. So please go help yourself. What you do, so this is the name of the freebie. If you click on the 3 dots, you click on download, and the PDF will be downloaded into your computer or iPad, whatever you're using. Okay, have fun and happy crafting. Okay, so 2 ways: newsletter, links down below. You just simply to click on it and then you join in. Every Friday you get an email from me. And also join my Facebook group. You'll see loads of ideas and inspiration from tons of crafters just like myself that just shared the project, and we just take inspiration from one another. Guys, I'm going to go. If you like this video, please consider giving a big thumbs up, and if you wish to join my VIP lounge, my monthly membership, all the details are listed down below. Thumbs up. I will see you on Monday for a very special video, and until then, guys, have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe and lots of love to you all. Mwah. Bye.